Hi you guys, I'm going to show you a quick little overview of our Pinners Conference booth. We kind of have it set up, like a mock setup, trying to make sure everything will work. So this is what we have. We have this nice grid area here with our notions. We'll have Via Rosa pattern cards in this little turnstile here. We've got all kinds of fun things, lots of bundles, stash building bundles, seasonal bundles, like all kinds of bundles. We have a big layer cake sale, 1996 layer cakes, and yes, there's even some new ones in here. Over here we have this cute spool stand, and we have some bundles on here, and we have cute little Halloween and fall boxes with goodies in them. And we have Christmas tins, different sizes. These little mailbox tins are super cute. They have some fun Moda goodies in there and some candy. And then over on this side of our booth is kind of our kit section. And we have a number of kits available and some samples of kits. This one is our new Polar Star tree skirt with Allison Glass holiday fabric. This is really pretty. We have kits for that. And then we have our little rack over here. I guess when you enter, you'll see the little rack. And this has some of our quilts on it. Some of them are from our past mystery sew-alongs. And one more thing, this is our checkout stand here. I want to show you the front of this. We have this banner, and I've kind of just got it pinned up, not permanently right now, but Connie from Refabulous on Instagram made this for us. And we also have a couple of these that are going to hang up at the back of our booth, but they're really pretty. She incorporated some of our fabrics in here and some of hers, and it's like a rainbow theme. So we love these. So anyway, we got other little things here we're going to hand out at the show. So if you guys are in the Dallas area, I hope you guys will stop by and see us. It's Friday and Saturday, September 13 and 14. At the K. Bailey Hutchinson Convention Center. So come see us, and y'all have a good day. Bye.